Moisture analysis is crucial in food and pharmaceuticals, relying on precise measurements for quality control. Moisture analyzers determine moisture content in materials, measuring liquids, gases, and solids. Thermogravimetric analysis measures mass changes when heated to find water content. Calibrating moisture analyzers is vital for accurate measurements. Moisture balances provide quick readings, utilizing halogen lamps for rapid heating. The analyzer choice is based on application, material type, and required precision. Pin meet and pinless meters vary in operation, impacting results. Accurate results demand proper method development, selecting the right analyzer, calibration standards, and testing procedures. Drying temperature, sample size, and distribution influence measurement accuracy. Calibration assures reliable results, verifying the meter's accuracy with known standards. Regular calibration, influenced by usage and conditions, ensures consistent measurements. Accuracy factors include analyzer type, drying process, and sample preparation. Managing variables helps maintain high-quality standards in moisture analysis. Best practices involve selecting the right analyzer and following calibration procedures. Meticulous sample preparation with specific particle sizes and distribution is critical. Careful result interpretation aids understanding moisture content. For moisture analyzer issues, check for calibration errors or preparation mistakes. Regular cleaning and timely replacements ensure analyzer reliability. Effective moisture analyzer calibration is key to accurate measurements. Regular calibration, proper sample preparation, and best practices drive success in moisture analysis. For assistance with moisture analysis, visit our website or contact us today.